Hello, let's continue our Sudoku adventure with Regicide Archers by Emphyrio. So we have standard 6x6 Sudoku rules. So in every row, every column, and every 2x3 box, we are placing the digits 1 to 6 exactly once each. We also have anti-king. So let's take this cell. Let's fill a 2 into it, for example. What anti-king says is none of the cells surrounding that cell can be the same digit. So Sudoku already eliminates all of these and says they can't be the same digit. So anti-king introduces these 3 extra cells in this specific case as not being able to be the same. So that's going to be important for this puzzle. And then also we have arrows. These are standard arrows. So digits on an arrow, say these two, sum to the value in the circle. So if this is 2 and 3, that sums to 5. So that's how that would look. And these arrows here all share the same circle, but they're separate arrows. So that sum is the same as the value in the circle, and this sum is the same as the value in the circle, etc. So those are the rules. There's a link in the description if you want to give it a try yourself. Highly recommend you do. And I'm going to get started right now. So the immediate thing I noticed is that we have these 3 cell arrows, and because of the way they're laid out, we actually can't repeat any digits on them. Normally in Sudoku, these would be the 2 digits that you could repeat, but they are touching each other. So anti-king says they can't be the same. So if you think about it, that means this does have to be a 1, 2, 3 triple, which is the minimum, which does add to 6. So it's also the maximum. So it must be that. This one's the same. So we just immediately get 1, 2, 3, 6, 1, 2, 3, 6. This is going to have the 3 on it because you can't do 3 plus 3 equals 6, not even here. Because these do touch each other, they have to be different. So 3 is going to go up here, which means that's not a 3. Which does put 3 down here, meaning that's not a 3. And then these are just going to be 1, 5, and 2, 4. Well, this cell here sees the whole 1, 2, 3 triple. So this cell here is 4 or 5 only. So I guess that makes that 1 or 2. Which does make it 1, 2, 3 triple here. So that's 4 or 5, and that's 1 or 2. Okay, that's pretty cool. This sees the whole 1, 2, 3 triple, so we can fill 4, 5, 6 there. So does this. That's 4 or 5 only. I can't do the same thing over here. These are just from 1, 2, 4, 5, which I'm not going to mark. Okay, so let's take a step back. What's the next thing? This 6 looks into here, it sees all of these cells. And this can't be 6, so 6 is one of these 2. This is the sum of 2 digits, so it's at least 3, and now it can't be 6. So let's mark that. So these are from 1, 2, 3, 4, if that's helpful. This is also from 4, 5, 6. It sees this whole 1, 2, 3, and it can't be 6. Okay. We have a whole 1, 2, 3 triple here, so these are from 4, 5, 6. This 6 does look down. Okay, nothing really to do with that. Oh, this 6 does see here, so this can't be a 6. I think I saw that here, but not here. So 6 is in one of these 2, so this can't be a 6. 4, 5 pair places this 6. That's nice. These 2 6s look down. So there's a 6 in one of these. Not these 2 look over, so not there. So that's a 6. That sees that by King's move, so that's a 6. That's a 6 right there. 6s are done all of a sudden. Okay. So what do we want to do next? I'm tempted to color. We got a lot of pairs. 4 5s and 1 2s. We may not have to, though. Let's see if there's anything I can see before I start coloring. This can't be 1 or 2. I guess it's from 3, 4, 5. I don't know if that's worth marking. This is also 3, 4, 5 for the row. Let's see. I do wonder if these are the same or different. I don't know if we can tell. But if they were different, then, for example, this cell could not be 4 or 5, which would be interesting. But I don't know if they're... So I'd have to color. But I don't know how to link these up. I think we should start here. We can make this orange and this blue, and that means this is orange because they do touch. But like, what do we do from there? Nothing? It means one of these is orange. Okay. Let's take a step. Maybe since I'm coloring, maybe I'll do the 1-2s as well. So this needs purple because it is a triple, so purple goes here. This box needs a green. Ah, okay. Actually, there's the 1-2 pair here that I was completely missing, but I'm not sure how much that would have helped, but it does help us color. So now this can't be, yeah, this can't be green or purple. It sees this 1-2 pair. So this is also a 3. And we know this is green, green, and this is purple, because things see things. I hope that helps. Let's see. So this looks over, this looks up. So we need a purple 1-2, so that has to go here. We need a purple 1-2 in this box, that goes here. This is the 4-5, it's blue then. So this can't be 4 or 5 because it sees this 4-5 pair. Though that makes it a 3. Okay. This could be 4 still, actually. In fact, if it wasn't, this would add to 3, and it can't. So this is 4. That's 5. Purple is now 1. Nice. So I don't need purple anymore. Green is 2, so I don't need green anymore. 2 plus 4 is 6, so orange is 4. Blue is 5. Don't need those anymore. And I think that might do it. Certainly have a lot of red on the grid. A lot of digits in the grid. Okay. Well, not too bad. Just basically King's Move spots. A little bit of coloring. I'm not sure how much the coloring actually helped other than just letting me see what I should have already been seeing. But yeah, this box needs a 1 and this 1 sees here by King's Move. So the 1 goes here. 3 goes here. This is a 4, and then I need a 2 and a 3. Just go like that. Nice. All right. Well, thanks, Emphyrio. That was neat. I liked that. Seems like the thing to do was to spot the 1-2 pair here, making this a 3, which I didn't spot. I think there were a few cases of like this 1-2 pair seeing this cell. That could be a tough spot, I think. Making that a 3. This 4-5 pair saw here, meaning this couldn't be 4 or 5. Things like that are like interesting King's Move spots that, you know, even if you have the red marks on for King's Move, which I don't, it's not going to show you those things. So it's neat that you were able to put some of those in there. And of course, if you enjoyed this content, then why not leave a like, subscribe, and a kind comment below.